creamy, dreamy fruit salad and homemade hot cocoa, plus a kitchen worthy of both. Nothing cozy, delicious, and family-friendly, quite like a sweet fruit salad paired with a steaming mug of homemade hot cocoa. Whether you're hosting a weekend brunch, looking for a crowd-pleasing dessert, or just need a midweek pickup, the combo is perfect. The whipped cream fruit salad offers a refreshing twist, while the scratch-made cocoa brings the warmth. Together, they're a match made in culinary heaven. But here's the thing. These recipes are best enjoyed in a kitchen that makes whipping and whisking effortless. If your current space has you juggling bowls on cramped counters or wishing for more elbow room, it might be time to upgrade. Lucky for you, your favorite Space Coast realtor, yes, that's me, knows just the homes where dream kitchens are part of the package. Let's dive into the recipes and get you inspired. Recipe 1. Creamy Dreamy Whipped Cream Fruit Salad. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy whipping cream, chilled, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups strawberries, whole in halves, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup diced pineapples, 1 cup seedless grapes, halved, 2 bananas, sliced, and optional, toss in a bit of lemon juice to prevent browning. 1/3 cup mini marshmallows, optional, but for extra fun. So instructions, we're going to whip the cream, chill your mixing bowl, and whisk or beaters for 15 minutes. Once ready, combine the heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract into the bowl. Whip until soft peaks form. Trust me, this is way better than store-bought whipped cream. Prep the fruit. Wash, hull, slice, and dice all the fruit. If you've got a big, beautiful cutting board and plenty of counter space, now's the time to appreciate it. If not, keep reading. I can help you find a kitchen with all the room you need. Mix and fold. Combine the fruit and marshmallows, if using, in a large bowl. Gently fold in the whipped cream, making sure everything gets coated without deflating the fluffiness. Number 4, chill and serve. Refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving to let all the flavors meld together. Garnish with a few extra berries on top for that wow factor. Recipe number 2, homemade hot cocoa. Ingredients: 2 cups whole milk, or your favorite milk alternative, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, or adjust to taste, 1/4 of a teaspoon to vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, optional toppings, whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Instructions: warm the milk. In a small saucepan, heat the milk over medium-low heat. Be sure to stir frequently to prevent scorching. Mix the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Combine. Once the milk is warm, but not boiling, slowly whisk in the dry mixture. Continue whisking until the cocoa and sugar are fully dissolved. Add vanilla. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract for a touch of sweetness. Serve it up. Pour that cocoa into your favorite mugs, top with whipped cream or marshmallows, and enjoy. Bonus points if you're sipping it while dreaming of your new kitchen. In conclusion, if these recipes had you dreaming of a spacious kitchen with ample countertops, gleaming appliances, and maybe even a breakfast nook for sipping hot cocoa, it's time to make that dream a reality. As your trusted Space Coast realtor, I'm here to help you find the home and the kitchen that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're a master chef in the making or just want a space that makes your everyday cooking a joy, I'll help you find the perfect match. Now let's turn your kitchen goals into reality. 1 whipped cream fruit salad and mug of cocoa at a time. Call me today and let's get started.